Hi guys! Hi people of the world, this is Jessie and welcome back to my channel. And today I am very excited to show you something new to my channel, which is doing some prosthetics. I only do face painting and glam makeup. Today I did this thing. See? Credits to Leviathan. I'm gonna post some photos here, like the process and how it looks and how it turns. So first of all, we need a drink. For our teeth, we need a hot water, a chopstick, an elimor, a scissor, and our hands. And I have a video here to show you how I did it. We're gonna be doing a teeth like this. Yes. For our Leviathan. First, put some elimor. Was like this before, and once it melts, it's going to be like this because it's so hot. You have to take it using a chopstick or the metal thing you have and shape it. So for the base of our teeth, I mix the latex and all-purpose flour to build this thick consistency. So I have a video here. I placed it circular like this with my face cast in here. And after that, I placed the teeth that we made. I placed it above. So one in here, and one in here, one in here, and here. So it has like this proper placement. And I put one in the middle, in the middle, in the middle, in the middle, and the middle of the middle. If it makes sense. I left it for 24 hours to dry. It changed the color. That means to yellow. That means it's dry and it's ready to be painted. The next thing that I did is remove the teeth. I took out the teeth. Thing is the skin tone. I used this shade, and the very gums where the teeth is placed, I used the red one. This part like this, like where the teeth is attached. I used this purplish red, and I use black. I use a glue, which is this white glue from dollar store, and stick the teeth back where it's placed. So as you can see, I painted the teeth with yellow. I used the varnish, which is this, and I bought this from Michael's to make it look shiny and gross. And look at that. The tongue, I used elimorph and shaped the elimorph into a tongue, like the regular tongue, and cut it into two. I put my finger in here, the other one is like this until it dries. So it will look like this. You're asking why I have this shape? This is, you put it like this, so you don't have to put some glue on it. You just have to bite it. There you go. Looks cool, right? This is idea of Elimac for our installation. Like this, and we need an eyeliner to sketch it out. It should fit. So I'm using this Mirror in Paradise and spray it. We need a Vaseline. Latex. And I'm using this disposable sponge. Or this the shoe. Got it into two. So it feels pretty dry. Let's start putting our foundation. Maybelline New York Super Stay Foundation in 118. So this is our final look, and this is my Leviathan makeup look. I hope you like it. Give it a big thumbs up if you do, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Again, this is Jessie and New Pintor signing out.